Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app review session, and in today's episode we are reviewing one of the best website builder out there. That's right, you can build website in minutes. I know that you always wanted to build your own website. For some or the other reason you could not, but now there is no more excuse. So what exactly is Webflow? Webflow is a versatile and powerful website builder aimed at designers, developers, and marketing people who are looking to have advanced design control and functionality without sacrificing the ease of use. It's a visual development platform. That means you can actually see the outcome while you're developing it. So it has this responsive elements that you can drag and drop, fix things, and all the preview you can get it real time. It allows users to design, build, launch responsive websites easily. The best part is that you get the code export of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript if you are a developer. That's why it makes it as a popular choice. Now let's talk about features. Its Webflow is very advanced platform. It has tons of features. I'm going to cover few in quick for you. It has this visual development platform editor that allows you to design websites while generating clean semantic code. It has a lot of customizable templates. That means you don't have to start from scratch. There are already a lot of templates that are available. You can fully customize them. Webflow also has an inbuilt CMS that allows users to create and manage dynamic content easily. All the templates, everything that Webflow generates is a responsive. That means it will work and adapt to different devices and screen sizes. Even if you want to build a full-fledged e-commerce website, you can do it on Webflow. Webflow provides robust e-commerce features, including product management, secure checkout, payment processing, and much more. To improve the performance and visibility of your website, there are SEO tools that are built in. You can also inject interactions and animations into your website. Webflow is 100% secured, offers hosting with global CDN, SSL certificates, and high performance servers. What are some of the pros? What I like the most is that there is a lot of design flexibility, allowing you to create highly customizable and visually stunning websites. CMS and dynamic content. If you are looking to create your own CMS also, it's easy to build it on top of Webflow. Responsive designs. All the designs are automatically responsive. That means you don't have to break your head into making them responsive. Advanced integrations. Webflow's interactions and animations, they allow us to create custom, complex and engaging user experiences. Hosting and performance. Webflow's hosting is reliable and fast. It has inbuilt global CDN and built-in security features. What are some of the cons? The platform may come across like a steep learning curve initially, since it offers a lot of features. New users might be little overwhelmed with too many features. Cost. Webflow's pricing is little higher than some other website builders, especially for the advanced features. It has limited third-party integrations. While there are a lot of third-party, but there are other competitors who have an extensive large integration base. Webflow doesn't have an email hosting as such, so if you are looking for a email marketing platform or something, email hosting is not a part of it. Performance on complex sites. While generally robust, some users report that highly complex sites can experience performance issues with the Webflow editor. Pricing. Let's talk about the pricing. Webflow offers a free plan that includes basic features, allowing users to build up to 2 projects. The basic plan, which starts at 12, CMS plan starts at 16, business plan starts at 36, and e-commerce starts at 29 per month. So we'll check it out, all about it now in the demo. Let's go ahead. So go to webflow.com. That's what you will, that's the website where you will go to check out the platform. And then when you start scrolling, you will see a lot of features. Don't get lost with it. The best thing is to go to platform. This is where you know and learn how to design a high performing website. you can edit mode, interaction, page building, shared libraries, CMS, hosting, localization, security, all of it, SEO, optimizing, analysis, all of this is available on the platform. Extremely powerful, extremely robust, and not something that you want to miss, especially if you want to build your own website. Talk about pricing. Now let's take a look. I told you get 2 pages, 20 CMS collections, and 50 forms as part of the free plan. Okay, and this will be on the webflow.io domain. But if you want your custom domain, you want to be on one of the paid plans, which starts at $14, $23, and $39. Now, if you scroll down, you can check out all the details. You can compare these plans and see what fits your requirements. Okay. Now, that is what the free plan is about. So, get started with free plan, build your own website, host it for free, and then as you grow, you can always upgrade. Same thing for enterprises. If you are looking, contact them and get the custom rate and pricing accordingly. If you're looking for e-commerce, the pricing plan is little different. There is no free plan because there would be transactions involved. So it starts at $29 per month, and then so on and so forth. So choose wisely whatever plan you want to be, whatever suits your requirement. Excellent tool to get started. Make sure that you check it out. Do let me know in the comment section your thoughts about it and what you feel. If you know of any other tool or app which is similar, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to review it. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.